So hello everyone, we are now going to understand that how to install MySQL in your device. So for that you have to search MySQL, press enter, click on the first link which you get, www.mysql.com, click on that. Then after that click on downloads. So then you have to click on MySQL community GPL download. After that click on MySQL installer for window if you are using Windows. अगर विंडो यूज़ कर रहे हो तो इस पर क्लिक करना है, एंड इफ़ यू आर यूजिंग any other OS like you are using Mac, so for that you have to click on MySQL community server. You have to download them separately, Workbench and the server both. So we are going for the Windows. Click on MySQL window, then click on it, MySQL 32-bit MSI installer, where you can see we are having the 354 MB size. It is valid for 32-bit and the 64-bit both. Click on download, then click on no thanks, just download my. So once you click on it, so your download will start shortly. See, the download is being started here. So in my case I have already downloaded it, just in order to save the time, so I just pause it and we'll go to the downloaded file. So here we are having this downloaded file. Double click on it, then click on yes, again click on yes. Now click on custom, click next, then you have to choose the products. So I am choosing MySQL server here, and then in application you have to choose MySQL Workbench, and you can also choose MySQL Cell, and then click on next, click on execute. Click on I agree and install. Okay, then click next, again execute. So at that time some system configuration is being processed in backend, so we have to wait until all the process are complete. Right, we are left for only cell. So once the cell is complete, then we'll click on next. if you are installing MySQL for the first time in your device, so it will take little bit time. So I'm installing it for the first time. So then we have to click on next. Again next, we have to check the port should be 3306 and all the things are good. Now click on next. So you can choose another option from them for the password. So it is recommended to choose strong password encryption for authentication, right? Click on next. I have to type my password here, so I type my password. Again I click on next, then next, then next, click on execute. Then click on finish. Congratulations, you are done with the installation. So in order to verify that, you guys can simply close it and search MySQL here. So you can see we are having MySQL Cell and MySQL Workbench both. So we are having this MySQL Workbench. Double click on it. Type your password which you were already created during the time of installation. I type here 1234, press enter. So again we are having this MySQL Workbench here. Click on schema and you can see we are having only sys here, like only system generated schema is there. So in order to understand all the SQL select queries, we have to create here Sakila database. So now we are going to download our Sakila database. Search, Sakila database for MySQL. Click on the first link. Okay. Yes, click on installation, then you having this link. Click on that link. So at the end you will having this zip file. So download this zip file. You are having both all the database, like employee database is there, world database is there, Sakila database is there. Then download this zip file. So download is begin. Again open the zip file. Now double click on it and extract it. Right, then go to your MySQL Workbench. So now click on file, click on open MySQL script, go to downloads. Here we are having this Sakila database. So run Sakila database.sql. So see, it is being opened here. Now you can see we are having the already created tables and the data is here. Simply execute. Right, so we are having this error that is use Sakila, because Sakila's database is not created at that time. So now we go to refresh button. You can see we do not have the Sakila database here. So first we have to create the Sakila database. So we'll go to new SQL. We use create database Sakila, right? So once we execute it, Sakila database is being successfully created here. You can see Sakila is there. Now we'll go to the Sakila data and then run this code. So again we are having some error. Okay, fine. So before inserting the data, we have to create the schema for that. So we open again SQL script, we open the Sakila schema, right? So first we have to run this schema file, then we have to run the database file. So again everything is created successfully here. So you can see Sakila database is here. It is having all the structures, right? It is having all the tables and views, store procedures and functions are there. Again, now go to the data file and then execute it. So once you execute it, it is being executed successfully here, right? So congratulations, you are done with the Sakila database installation in your MySQL Workbench also. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys really like this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe.